Remove all parts and material from the box and check if there are any missing parts against the included checklist. Insert wood dowel on board A, B, and CE. Insert shelf support on board B and C. Insert wood dowel on board D and install Minifix bolt. Install magnet on board D. Install magnet plate on board F and G using screw 12 mm. Install door spring on board F and board G. Attach board C to board D using Minifix nut and Minifix bolt. Install board A and board B into board D using screw 38 mm. Install board E at the bottom side using screw 38 mm. Install cabinet leg using screw 16 mm at board E. Next, install board I using nails. Insert board H on the shelf support. Install board F and board G by pressing the door spring. Install handle on board F and board G using screw 25 mm. Congratulations! You have successfully assembled your two-door gas cabinet.